Hi, today I'm making Tuscan chicken soup. The weather's changed, and I thought a soup recipe might suit us well. So I'm starting with the trinity of cooking: carrots, celery, and onion. So that's two whole carrots, two stalks of celery, and a half a cup of finely chopped onions. And I'm going to mix those in about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil until they're translucent. Next, I'm adding a package of five chicken legs. Next, I'm adding 6 cups of water to the stock pot. I'm actually using a Dutch oven to cook this recipe, and I'm adding 1 stalk of rosemary as well as fresh thyme. So both of those I'm going to lift out when the chicken has cooked down. But for now, they're going to cook in the broth along with 2.5 tablespoons of seasoned salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. And then I didn't have any fresh garlic, so I'm using 2.5 teaspoons of garlic powder and a teaspoon of white salt or table salt. Again, I'm going to mix all that together, and I'm going to cover it with the lid of the Dutch oven and let that cook for about 30 minutes. Next, I'm going to add 2 bouillon cubes, and this is the brand that I use. And then finally, I'm adding a couple of dashes of Italian seasoning. So next, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of fresh kale, 1/4 cup of diced green bell pepper, as well as 1.5 cups of finely diced potatoes. That's like 2 medium-sized potatoes. And then I'm going to add all of those ingredients to the soup, okay? And just mix that well. And once again, I'm going to cover this soup once I've mixed it with the top of the Dutch oven. Let that cook another 30 minutes. The last ingredient for this soup is the cannelli beans or white kidney beans. I drained those, and then I'm going to add those to the soup. So this is a hearty soup, and it's going to cook a final 30 minutes. And so this is a weekend recipe, low and slow. And once it's done, and all of the ingredients have had a chance to sort of cook down, it should look like a nice brothy soup, and it will have beans and potatoes and kale, and it's perfect for these cooler fall days. Tuscan chicken soup.